We have heavy corrosion on the mid-hull section. Need a closer look. Alpha team, confirm pressure at maximum. Ready for sequence start.
This entire section needs replacement, way beyond spec.
Copy that. Adding another X to the lower starboard.
The pitting here is nearly through the hull.
It's worse than we thought. Look at the waterline section. We need more scaffolding on.
Okay, team, sections 4 through 7 are priority. Maria, you and Carlos take the mast. Javier, start on the bridge components. Let's move efficiently and safely. Okay, easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the starboard side. We need a little more tension on the lower ratchet. Looks good, it's perfectly level. All right, keep the insulation moving down here. Make sure the conduit is stacked neatly on the right. Hold it right there. Let me check the plumb line.
Is it aligned?
Yes, it's perfect. I'll secure it now. Easy, easy, watch the edge. Okay, keep it coming down. All right, set it down right here. Now push to the right. Set it down slow. Watch the clearance, clear. Bring me the torque wrench, let's secure these.
Did you secure the VHF cables? Satellite terminal is fully seated. Intercom check 1, 2.
All right, coming in slow. Check alignment at the top.
Looks good here. Keep pushing.
Confirm. Moving forward steady.
The micrometers confirm the diameter is precise.
Surface looks good, no transport damage visible.
Excellent. This shaft is approved for installation.
Easy now. Bring it up slowly. A little to the left. Hold it there. All right, start the torque wrench. Make sure the sealant is even on the bottom edge. Got it. Are the suction cups secure? Yes, ready to lift on 3. All right, ready. 1, 2, 3. It's seated.
Okay, securing the strips now.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Lifting.
Clear on the left side.
Slowly down now. Watch the edge. Is this the master cabin sofa?
Yes, sir. Deck 8.
Verified. Move it along. Easy now. Keep it coming down. All right. Bring it to the left slightly. Clear below. Locking the legs now.
Is the starboard side secured yet?
Almost.
Water lines are connected. Testing the pressure now.
Okay, everyone, lift together now. Watch the corners. Almost there. Bring the left side in slowly. Does that line up?
All right, everyone, check your assignments on the plan. We need the main deck finished by noon. Confirm reception on the lower levels.
It's absolutely spotless.
Couldn't be better.